this is big. It's a swimming pool. Morning, guys. Look at how big the swimming pool is.
Comment down below if you have any idea what size is this swimming pool. You don't see this every day. It's a swimming pool in this big truck.
Wow.
Big shout out to my sister Cindy. Thank you so much for bringing this big tilapia. This is going to be our lunch for today. Inununan. Isda po datong chopping board.
Oh, that's big.
This is a gift for my friend.
Hi, Papa.
TJ for veg chips.
Pineapple juice.
Maple syrup.
This is for my
Matcha latte.
What else did I buy?
My dog. For my dog. And Madeleine cakes. Okay? Okay. Wait. Nugget. Catch up with my sister Cindy for tea and coffee.
Guys, good evening. I'm in our van. I'm just waiting for my niece. She is going to change her clothes here. So I prepared it. Wait. So that's her clothes over there. There. I just put it on top of our fridge. So yes, I'm just parked here and waiting for my niece. Show you.